Alright, what is up guys? It is me, Robert. Sadly Alan and Warren are not here for this install, but today I'm installing my boost gauge on this here Genesis. I got my custom gauge pod already put in. Sorry, I can barely see it because the light's pretty crappy. There's John. John, where'd I put my boost gauge?
In your car?
No! It's not in my car, it's over here. Here, hold my hose, you hoe. My battery's about to die.
Wish I had those. Oh, it's far Reggie sneeze, you can hear it.
Nasty. So I got this cool little glow shift. I'm gonna say shift knob.
Shift knob.
Shift. Huh. It's not gonna be stuck, so I say shift knob. I got this cool little glow shift boost gauge for the Genesis today. And as you can see, it glows different colors, but you already know why. I got it for purple, because purple is clearly the best. I got purple everything inside my car. And yeah, it's pretty freaking dark, so BAM!
What the fuck was that?
Willie's here! Yeah, you're right. He's not pouring.
I am.
Back on.
Oh shit, we gotta stop yelling.
Keep going.
Spit!
Hey kid, over here, and Dicka has some chicken, and I'm black, so I eat that, it's chicken.
Robert.
Chicken!
I'm black,
Black! What? Chicken!
Robert.
Black!
Robert. Shut
Whitley.
What are you gonna do about it? I did everything I would
I'll
do.
break your triples.
Break my toe. I'm gonna clap him out.
It's just
Okay. Oh! I spit chicken on my car.
Look at this shit.
So for all you guys that haven't seen,
Look at that
I put
shit.
some crappy tint on my car.
Look at that shit.
Roast me if you want.
Look
but
at
I
that.
don't care.
Look at that.
No, this end. You fucking idiot.
This end you take off.
Get that sense of wonder.
Please tell me you didn't rip that one.
No, I didn't.
Your daytime
Thought it
routine,
did.
you know, this is very hectic. Yeah, and this is.
You're gonna have to replace this too.
I don't have a tube to replace it with. He did. He went and bought one.
This is being
So try not to make me have to replace it.
Yeah. He just.
Where's the WD-40 at?
Got the
Got you,
essence
Brad.
of what a treehouse is all about.
Kids, don't try this at home.
No.
WD-40 is definitely not the answer. Still, I lost it. Alright.
Butters.
WD-40 is definitely not the answer to everything, but when we got nothing to use.
Shut up, please. Shut up.
I think they understand. Not
You
be
want the
stupid.
little long red piece?
No.
Christopher and the
Bro, what? He was retarded, like always.
Does it work?
this adventure is about
Is it broken?
There's nothing in there.
Dude, you can feel hex. Dude, there's definitely stuff in here, dude. John. There's definitely stuff in here. John.
that passion, that drive, that uncontrolled desire for greatness. That
Alright, it's empty.
place could experience.
Alright, so, I need this, oh crap. I think I lost it.
Building
He's a fucking idiot. You are a stupid idiot.
Hey, where's the plate? Why didn't you keep everything in? I just took it out. Oh, it's right here. Wait, you saw the flyers? We're gonna need them.
Yes. What do you think? I just threw him in the imaginary fucking box?
Magic Canary.
Shut up, bitch.
I wish I had a beard like that. Look, you just need to work out. What a great tree you are.
Anyway.
Alright, so basically,
The hose has to run, if you see it, down there, that's my hood latch, so I put it through a little hole right there, and he has to pull it out from the other side. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have enough. There's a plug! Alright, hold this, John. Do you need help?
Get the fucking plug off!
Can't even see him.
Get under here.
This is not good.
Tired of your old frying pan? Well, stay tuned. We get a free state-of-the-art frying pan from Dr. Steel. Yes, you heard it.
Coming through? Alright, so we gotta take this off. Try to do that without cutting up your dash. So this gotta come out. So it reveals a gauge pod, as you can see. So now I gotta fish this up there. That's my phone. Alright. So we're going back down. What's the problem? No. No! You idiot! Robert! Robert! Oh, wait, Robert. Alright, so your boy done goofed, and the gauge is a little bit. The hole is a little bit smaller than the gauge, so the gauges want to go in the hole. You know, a problem I have sometimes, you know? Too big for the hole. I don't know where your phone is.
I have it.
It's down here somewhere still. So we're attempting to put the gauge, or get the gauge to fit in the pod. But pretty cool though, right? Hey, kind of cool, kind of nice. Who just touched me?
Whitley.
Because that makes total sense.
I mean, you asked the best question.
Shut up, bitch.
Who else can touch you, fucking Casper?
Okay, this isn't Sandy. This is Sandy.
It's all lubed up.
People are gonna look at this video and be like, how much retards they are.
That's the fun part.
Get some fucking Vaseline.
Hey, I know what that is.
Yeah, you would.
No, because Robert uses it every single night, so.
Update, we got the gauge in, but now it's crooked. So, now I gotta deal with that.
No, it's not. Never mind.
I mean, it's slightly tilted.
I mean,
Looks pretty cool though, but it's a wee bit crooked. Now we're gonna... Didn't I warn us about this?
look how he's sitting.
Forever will be a meme now. A crooked gauge.
Actually, it's really not that
Just leave
crooked.
it in.
Is it? Do I get to give you one?
So, we ran into an issue.
Penis on.
This has to be wired.
Yeah, but he's lying.
Well, there's four
Not
of
lying.
them, but they have to be wired to constant power, ground, which ground is always fucking easy. Thank you for letting me know about this shit. And the red one has to be wired to a so-called fuse. So,
Let's just send it. So, a little update. My car is torn apart. It's a mess. And right now we got the positive and 12 volt constant and another 12 volt not constant hooked up. The ground wire, I mean, when you plug it in,
how the fuck are we gonna get copyrighted?
it's done! Oh wait, that was the video?
Stop! No, we're not gonna stop the video. And we're not editing
Alright,
this.
so we're gonna click. Oh, so cool. Oh, the focus. Oh, sexy. Oh yeah. I'll keep it on purple though. On purple.
So, I mean, it semi-works, I guess. You're not pushing that much boost, bro.
Cause I'm actually driving it. Yeah. I'm taking it for a test rip in a second. We just gotta clean up the mess.
Yeah, this fucking, where is it?
Where's the back piece to my light on my camera?
I got it.
I don't know.
So, we're gonna clean this mess up, and
then we'll get back to you.
yeah. Dead ass? Dead ass?
Outside. Oh, you fucking
outside.
bitch.
What?
It's fucking cold outside.
You're gonna get fucking cold. I was right about running less than 10 pounds of booze.
Yeah, I know, I saw that.
Are you serious? I'm running literally less than 10 pounds of booze, bro.
Bro, you're not going that fast. There's still a lot of boost.
It's like an
Can you roll
8.
up the fucking windows? It's so cold.
There's a cop right there.
Oh fuck!
There's 2 cops.
Let me get my fucking seatbelt on real quick.
Yeah, put on your seatbelt.
Right fucking quick.
Right before I was about to
Let
romp
me get it.
What the? I was just about to romp it, and there was 2 cops.
That could have been terrible.
If I would went before them, oh, that'd have been so bad.
Oh,
He's at
we would've been
120
dead.
down Franklin.
Do it. You won't. Pussy.
What? Are you ready? No.
Go. Get after him.
Yui. Don't catch him too quick. They'll not out.
Because I don't know what I'm
Dude, you really don't know how to install your boost